Here we have a 2002 Chevy Impala with a 3400 SFI motor in it. And if you're looking to check the oil, once you get the hood open, you're going to see a yellow dipstick. You want to pull that out. There'll be basically hash marks on it. You're going to want to keep the oil level in between that, but preferably at the top dot there at the top of the hash mark. Or as close to it as you possibly can. If it does need oil, and you do need to add some, you can add it right through the filler cap here. The Impala's, this specific engine takes 5W30, and they're nice enough to label it right on the cap. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, I hope this video gives you a little bit of help, and good luck with your project. Thanks for watching.